Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to activate the Hibernate mode in Windows 10. We go to Search, Control Panel, click in here. We go to System and Security, Power option. Then here we click here, Choose Closing. In this screen, we click in Change settings that are currently unavailable. So here, like you see, the shutdown settings are opened. They was closed, now they're opened. You can click in here. Any choice here, you can check it or uncheck it. If you check it here, click in Save Change. Then you go to Start. You click in here. You will see Shutdown, Restart, Hibernate. Now it's active. We get back. We click in here, in check Hibernate, save change. We go again here, power, and there is no Hibernate anymore. Okay, so to activate it, just we click in here, change settings that are currently unavailable, check Hibernate, save change. We check again here, and here he is. Thank you so much. See you in another video.